If you want to earn an easy $25 to $100 daily at the comfort of your own home or anywhere where there is the power of the internet available, go to www. Hey guys, it's Joyce here and welcome to this new video where I will show you 3 websites that you can use to make $25 to $100 or even more than that per day. For those who don't know me or who are new to my channel, I do videos that help people make money online as well as guide people set up their online business. So if you like such contents, do subscribe and hit the notification bell as it really helps a lot to provide to you guys. Now, without any delay, let me explain to you what I am going to show you in this video. But you should know that 90% of the people who are here right now will not get any money at all. The reasons for that are 50% won't even watch the bonus website that I'm going to give you at the end of this video, while 40% who remained and watched won't take the required action. But if you are an action taker and you are serious about your own future, and if you really want to quit your 9 to 5 hectic and boring lifestyle, keep watching till the end. First of all, you need to make sure that you have a PayPal account. If you don't, then go to PayPal.com and create your account over there by filling in the required information, and you can also download the PayPal app that will help you ease your money withdrawal with PayPal to your bank account. So starting with the third website of this 3 website series is Price Rebel. It is a free membership reward site that basically rewards you to do online surveys, play games, watch videos, or do daily stuffs on their website. I have actually created an account myself, and they have partnered with many market research companies who are looking for your opinion on new products or would like you to be a member of their website. So in return for your time and participation, you will earn points which you can redeem for gift cards, online game codes, Amazon.com items, and PayPal cash. There is also a referral system, and let me tell you how it works. Actually, by spreading the word of pricerebel.com and inviting others to sign up through your referral URL, these new members become your referrals, and you earn points through when they do surveys, tasks, offer walls, daily points, and you will receive a certain percentage of points based on their earnings. So it's true that surveys are mostly available in countries such as US, UK, Canada, Australia, and might be unavailable to other countries, which is true in my case because I am from Mauritius and I can't do surveys, and so I can't earn points through surveys at all. But if your country is the same as mine, you can still earn points from completing offer walls, tasks such as these. As you can see, guys, I guess I did an AdSense and I was rewarded 6 points. And when you earn a certain amount of points, all you have to do is to go to rewards here and click in here, and you will get to see how much points you need to convert into cash. And if you choose PayPal, guys, you need 500 points to get $5 in PayPal cash. Now, the second website that I want to show you guys is Point Club. Point Club, guys, is similar to Price Rebel, but it is more generous in terms of giving up points. What it does is the same. You do surveys inside. Let me show you guys. Actually, I signed up today and I did some missions and earned points. So what it does is it gives you $5 as a bonus for signing up. But the $5 come in terms of missions that you need to do. For example, sign up bonus, profile bonus, and these are the points that I received. And if you want to know how much money can you get, all you have to do is to go onto Point Bank and click to choose your goal. When you click on that, you will be given a small window where it says how much points is equivalent to how much the amount of dollars. So in this case, $25, for $25 you will require 25,000 points, and 100,000 points is equivalent to $100 in PayPal money. Now it is the same here, guys, but as I said, they are a bit more generous. In their Facebook group, they give 1,000 points to winners every day. So you can be one of the lucky winners and earn 1,000 points just by putting up the code here and clicking on enter. The next are offer board and missions, and they are mostly surveys, but there are some quiz inside that you can do. As I said, guys, Mauritius does not accept surveys, so I can't do surveys, but that doesn't mean that I can't earn points. As a matter of fact, every day when I log in, I'll be given bonuses and points as I have daily activities. Now, the third website that I am going to show you is not like these two websites that you just saw. Yes, these two websites are okay. They do get you money, but you will have to spend your time to do surveys and do tasks like I told you, offer wall, etc. to get your money. They pay, they truly pay. But is it worth it to spend so much amount of time and to get such amount of money in return? Of course, it is not. What I'm going to show you, the website, is for people who are really wanting to get their life on the next level. Because this website helps you to build an online business. Yes. Now, I don't know if you guys have already earned a dime online or not, but this website is not like any others. This website consists of top marketers that are there to help you get the life that you wanted. Now, I don't know what type of life you are leading right now. You may be a stay-at-home mom, you're either a student or hustling, or I don't know. But if you really want a passive income lifestyle, this website is for you. So let me show you. Actually, the website truly is not free. This website costs, and you will be amazed. Let me tell you what you get inside the website. So inside it, you will get 15 days of high education level on what to do for an online business, and you get to choose what type of online business you want. They educate you on that, and you will get bonuses such as scripts, what to do, what to say to close a deal, to make a sale happen. The next thing is you will get an advisor, and this advisor is for you, your business advisor, and the business advisor will help you in any problem you're having in your online business. Now, I did not have any online business when I first started. I was a complete zero. I had no idea what to do. So I started with it and learned. What they teach you guys is amazing. They teach you what are the types of business you need to do. For example, if we look at the products here, they have affiliate marketing products, digital products, event and consulting, coaching and consulting, events and mastermind. Guys, the quantity that you learn, the value that you get over there is world apart. If I haven't told you the price yet, is because I want to keep the suspense. Because with so much value that you are going to get, the price is only for a cup of coffee. Yes, it is $7. Not more, not less, $7. Now, I don't know if the owner of this course is going to increase the price, but right now it's $7. So if you want to get access to this website, just click on my link down below as my #1 recommendation. Inside, you will get to see how many people are getting results, how many people like me, they knew nothing, all getting results. So I would like to end this video right now, and I hope you got value from what I just showed you. And like I said, not everyone is going to get money online. Only those who take action will be able to earn the money. Now, once again, if you really want a passive income lifestyle, if you really want a lifestyle where you are able to quit your 9-to-5 job, click on my #1 recommendation down below. Because guys, I started at zero. I was a mechanical engineer. I had an engineering job. I quit the job. I started learning the online marketing world. So give me a like if you found value in this video, and drop me a comment and tell me what you think about it, as well as subscribe and hit the notification bell, because it really helps guys to provide more videos that help you make money online. So I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye, it's been fun.